Welcome to another insightful session. Today we're diving into how you can maximize your engagement on Telegram in 2025. Understanding how Telegram's algorithm works is crucial. This platform highlights content that engages audiences and encourages meaningful conversations. Creating captivating content is key, whether it's powerful words or stunning visuals, grab your audience's attention. Remember to leverage both Telegram channels for broadcasting and groups for vibrant community interaction. Boost participation by using polls and quizzes. These interactive elements can spark conversation and interest. Analyze the best times to post. Timing your messages can significantly improve visibility and engagement. Collaborating with influencers not only widens your reach but also fosters trust within your community. Encourage your followers to share their own stories. User-generated content creates a sense of belonging. Don't forget about monitoring your analytics. Adjust your strategies based on performance for continued growth. As we conclude our tips for maximizing Telegram engagement, remember to keep experimenting and stay ahead in this dynamic landscape.